Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new wig. I'm so excited about this one. It is so pretty. I can't wait to show y'all the details and the specs. And I did get a color 1B, just a basic color, kind of going for a more everyday look. Okay, so this is the stock card, which I love. It's the Outre Melted Hairline Collection. And that's the girl on the stock card. This is in Lilyian, I believe is how you pronounce it. Lilyian is the name of this unit. Ooh, yes. Taking off everything for the complete unboxing. Yes, my expression.
Okay, so taking this out the pick, look at these crinkles. These crinkles are it. So this is supposed to be the Melted Hairline Collection from Outre. Here I have Lilyian in a 1B, and it has all different type of colors. It has honey gold, cherry, strawberry gold. It has all different type of colors. This is supposed to be the HD transparent lace, where you're not really supposed to do any type of plucking. It's supposed to automatically be a melted hairline. The stock card is super cute. It has the open. It just tells you that it's a soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns for the girls that like the sideburns on their wigs. If you want to wear it up, it even has like a picture of the baby hairs. Pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. Oh, it does? Okay, well, let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the construction. I'm excited about this. I got it at my local beauty supply store on yesterday, and the girl said that they had just got it that day, and this was the last 1B. They only had one more color, and that was the color 1. And then they were gonna be sold out. So I was like, oh, lucky me. Oh, yeah, they do. Oh, look. It has the elastic band in the back. That's nice. Okay, so it still has the one comb in the back, and it still has the adjustable straps. And this is the cap construction. This, you wear it as a middle part. And then it has the 2 combs at the top. And then there's a 5-inch lace parting space, which is great. This cap construction is bomb. It is bomb. And this lace is seamless. Let me stick my hand under it. Seamless lace. Oh, I can get into this. And these are the baby hairs. Baby hairs. Oh, she's cute. She's cute. We gonna do some things. Hi, girl. Oh, how you doing that? We gonna do some things with her. Oh yes, let's get into it, baby. I'm ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna use some of my Becca Ever Matte Shine Proof. It's in Cocoa, the color, because the lace is really light. The lace color is really light, so I wanted to definitely blend perfectly with